Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Maimo Watch R, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. And the factory reset could be useful in cases like if you want to pair your watch with another device, maybe you want to try to fix it, but this is like a last resort thing, because if you factory reset your watch you lose data on it, and I guess that's about all when it comes to use cases for the factory reset. And of course I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. And to factory reset our watch we need to press the crown button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu. Scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon and tap on it. And in settings we need to scroll down, look for the system option, select it, and then finally find the reset. Tap on it of course, and then tap on the checkmark to confirm. And wait until the reset is complete, which takes a few seconds. And here we have it. Once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.